Hi folks, look at SharperTrades. Market maintain a steady pace. The SPY is above the 80 today. Good close, 535 at target. Looking for 540. Eventually, if the bulls stay on target, 548 and 554. Support is the 80 525. And then further down for 517, 518. HPE, this one is a swing initiated today. I like the technicals. I wrote an article on the blog. Please go check it out. This company is a dinosaur. However, the investment management and world, they are starting to understand this HPE as a player in the AI revolution. And today action, last week was earnings, breakout volume. And today action shows that the bulls are still pressing on this one. Now let's give a target of 26, I believe. And so we initiate the swing on this one. I like the technicals and I like the AI potential. Targets 22, 24, 2360, and 25. Support, we have 1950 and then 19. We also had dark pool activities on this company. June 5th, a large amount, I think something like 6 million, and the price range was between 1950 and 2020, something like that. So also potential. I like it. INSM. This one I kept on the watch list, and today I added to the swing idea list. And so this one is a swing idea. I like what it's doing. I like the volume breakout some days ago, and has been moving sideways, you know, kind of big sideways from 59 to 52, big move. Steady above the 80 breakout. This one is now a swing idea. I'm looking for now 65, 72, 82, 91. That's a stretch. Support is 50, 56, and 53. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000 available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.